Let's do Chevy things. Don't break. Don't fucking break it. Probably help if my fucking fingers weren't cool as shit. Come out. Jesus, bro, how the fuck do you get these out? There's one. This one's like fucking... Is this glued in here or some shit? Is that fucking glue? It is. What the fuck, dude? Who does this? Jesus Christ, bro. Fuck. I don't want to break it. Is that actually how you remove it? Yeah, it looks like it. There's a fucking push tab thing right here. Oh, I feel something. Yep. Sweet. Looks like I need a screwdriver for this one. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. Flathead screwdriver. And you push on this little tabby thing and hopefully it just fucking whoop. Do it. Whoop. Come on, bitch. Don't break. Don't break it, dumbass. Don't fucking break it, dumbass. Oh, did you break it? Fucking stupid. Come on, you fucking whore. Get out of there. I need you to come out so you can look fucking better than what you look like right now. I'm trying to make you beautiful, bitch. Let's go. Get with the fucking program. Yep, there you go. Come on. Yep, sweet. Thank you. Get out of there. I don't think there's no more screws in yet. Fuck. Is there more screws? I sure fucking hope not. Trial and error, right? Don't fucking break anything in the process, though. Get out of there! Chevy owners doing Chevy things. What are you still connected to? That's out. That's out. How many more things are there? Little tabs. That's all it looks like. Why are you being difficult? I mean, it doesn't really matter if I break this because I'm putting a new one on. I just don't want to fucking be destructive like I always am. Fuck. Oh yeah, this little thing's supposed to come out. I don't see why that would be holding it up though. Yep. That thingy comes out. I'm gonna feel really stupid if this is what was holding it up. Fucking one little piece of plastic. Come on, bitch. Come on, Chevy. fuck me. That was the last thing holding it up. Okay, what does all this fucking wiring go to, though? This is all dead wiring. These aren't even Bose speakers. What the fuck? They've been swapped out. That's why the door panels are broken. Because the dumbass was hella aggressive. Do these speakers even work? Fuck, man. Okay, well, fuck it. Okay, so this is the new door panel. Unfortunately, the armrest isn't black, it is beige, but anything to make this look a little bit less ghetto. Okay, we're getting this shit back in. Probably should have cleaned this before I put it in, but oh well. We'll do that in a little bit. Oh, shit. Get in there. Yep, that's the spot, I think. Maybe. Yep. Couple little love taps. Love taps, don't beat the fucking shit out of it. You will break these door panels. These are plastic. Be fucking as gentle as you can. Don't get mad. Get productive. My fat ass is probably wheezing. I've been sick. Then you put your clippies, your window clippy wiring harness thingy mabobbers back in. Over here, no one acting like I know what I'm talking about. You put your right clip in. You put your right clip out. You put your right clip in. And then your windows will roll down. You play the hokey pokey and you push the clippy in. That's what it's all about. Something like that, right? What did I do? Fuck! Jesus! I don't have the keys. Oh, my neighbors probably hate me. Okay, these need to line up. Oh, is this fucking broken too, bro? The dumbass before me couldn't fucking... Jesus, man. I gotta buy whole new window switches now, too. That fucking sucks. Alright, well, at least the door panel looks better, I guess. Fuck, that's stupid. Okay, so for anybody wondering if your door panels look like this, so you can buy, instead of buying the whole door panel, and I didn't know this until the other day, the guy that sold me the door panel explained it to me. You can buy just the little handle part that you would grab to close the door, and you can buy just the window switches. You have to make sure that whatever your year is, you're lining up the proper window switches and the proper armrest door handle thing. There is a screw right here, and on some models there's a screw right here. There wasn't in mine for some reason. I think there's supposed to be a screw under here, but there's also not that. Oh wait, there is on this door panel. I don't see what it screws into. Okay, but anyways, they're screws. Don't go just ripping this fucking door off, because that's how mine probably got broken. Don't go just ripping your armrest and your shit off, because that's probably how mine got broken. If you're replacing your speakers, don't go ripping this off. And if you do line it back up, there's little slots in so the mesh wiring, whatever you want to call this thing, can fit back through those holes. Unfortunately, mine is broke. I'm not too worried about it. It doesn't look terrible. But yeah, that is how you replace a door panel on a 2002 Chevy Avalanche and older Silverados, older Yukons, and Suburbans.